before me call the police, knowing that you're an immigrant. So me gonna give you a chance now to see which road you want to go. And if you want to go the police road, then call the police and really press charge for you because you want to play tough. So it too wrong them don't make no right. So me have to put myself, if me I did Trev, me would have given a little warning there, and if you not do it, me call police to get my phone.
Vani,
like why you should have given me phone.
Vani, me can't talk.
Yeah, can't talk now.
Listen to me. You are your man in the house have a little problem and you hold on the phone and come and assault that. You could have walked out the the passage, go turn up, in the life, turn up and talk to people, them come back and say to me, say, Tikki, me now turn right so tonight, me I go back to my yard. Because me know I'm here, no problem. One door up, me catch your speed, guys. Me know I'm here, no problem. Give me my phone. Be a ladies, gentleman. Walk across the road, so go sit down now and shop. Go out there, so go sit down round the pool side. Do something to occupy your time and come back. Probably when me call them, me can say, alright, let me get your phone. What you mean by?
I'm going to tell you one next thing when we did say today to listen. This one is very important.
Guys, one donut.
This is something me did that nearly upon the head today. Guys, you have to understand, and this is where it come in now where me and the people them don't know what's going on in a real life. Trev could be telling Tikki that them there in a real life, but him just don't want to show up Tikki on the internet. Listen,
Vani, he's very secretive.
Tikki, listen, Tikki. You see the way how Trevor behave on live, that has nothing to do with secretive. That I show you say you're not dead none tall. Because if me and you there and me ask you say, Tikki, I am Trev there, just by your expression, me know say you're gonna say yeah. But if me go to Trev now and me say Trev and Tikki there, him no want answer. That is coming like him a disown you. Him could have said, I'm a secretive person. I don't like to put my business out there on the internet. If I even said that, then it would have the world be like, oh yeah, him and Tikki there for true, but him just not the person for come on the internet for come talk about them relationship.
But the
fact
people
that every time
say yes, you know?
he might give so much red flag like you in there. But this is where I go wrong. If Trev is leading you on in real life, and if Trev knows that you're him there in a real life, stop make you look like a stupid on the internet, because him do make you look like a stupid on the internet.
Thank God we not in a no more. Me let go.
Yeah, so if
me man I come over now, me man tell me say shall be here 3 o'clock 2:30. Me I go book a cab fin come and book a cab fin come back and him I go fuck up me all. Moy dal depend on where if come right as now, and Moy dal I come meet my boyfriend. And I say, Moy dal, me I go show you how your needs go to blood clot or come is a
because at the end of the day, Tikki, me go there with man already where me not want nobody see me and them in a real life. But behind closed door, me with talk thing and whatever. And everybody like the internet thing. And him probably not hate you neither, but him just, it's not everybody that brawling. You're coming like me. Me can kiss out my man, suck out my man tongue on the live. And I want everybody to see, because my life is all about the internet. Me's an influencer. My might not influence nobody, but me's an influencer in my world. Me like to do things on live. Me like shit pan live, beat pan live, get ready pan live, do everything. Me can't even fuck pan live.
Thank God me live father so. Guys, you don't follow me new
me is me just
not know me did this so a blood clot.
Not everyone. Not everybody are gonna do the same thing. You probably want to kiss him on live, but him not want to kiss him on live because him not that type of person.
No, me don't want to kiss him on live.
No, I'm just saying.
Me don't want to kiss him on live neither. Me don't want.
I didn't say. I said you might want to kiss him, but he. I'm using an example.
Not on live.
The things you, me see you come on live and attack your fuck argument. You brawling it do that. Another person. Let me tell you something. You see, some people, them like what happened in the bedroom.
You know, could have called me if we never left him.
Some people, them like what happened in the bedroom to stay in the bedroom. But you will come talk it on live in front of 3,000 people, while the boy don't like that. Him just want it be between you and him. I just saw, when me they just meet Kino tell me say, him know say the internet are my thing. Me can talk about everything, but don't talk about sex life on the internet. And me have to say, alright then, me not go talk about, and there's a lot of things happen when me not talk about on the internet. So you have to respect certain people boundary. But as far as me see it, maybe Trevor just one of them nigga, they will just they want a little clout, you give it to him nobody want your Tikki. Go sell something.
I'm not bad with that, Vani, so no problem if you take that I go and do the because I no lose none.
You're not going to lose because I
have 4,000 for you.
Are you have the swing, you know, so and that's what I always tell people. It no matter how much man want come through you and go, you have the swing, but that doesn't mean you have to allow everybody to come take a step over you and get.
Ivany, me can't talk now. Me can't talk now. You know, say, Chev have a boyfriend where your moderator over in live, or ex-boyfriend where they are Jamaica. Chev the America 5 years now. You know, since boys see me a Chev tight enough like this, you know, talk to Chev again. After you see me a Chev in a hot water now, and this and now, and the conflict, it boy black.
Something. Yeah, and Becky a friend?
Becky called me this evening and said, Tikki, look good.
That's where you go. No, let me ask you something. Yeah, and Becky was friend all along too?
Yeah.
That's where you go wrong. Let me tell you something. Never take your friend man and think you're going to prosper with him. Or your friend ex. It will never work. It will never
Me never want to work, Vani. Me never want to work.
It will never work.
Me do a prove a pint to get the cocky and me don't get started.
Them ex or your friend them man and think it's going to be wedding and baby and this good anniversary. It will never. You have to take a man. You go take him, go meet him at one party, and you never know say in the day with your friend, fine. Go meet him at one club, and you never know say in the day with one of your friend, them fine. But you did already know say I did Becky man, and I Becky ex now, you go there with him, Tikki. It'll come like a boy I use you.
Vani, hear me I say. You know me talk. Me say something now.
Talk.
Listen to me. And listen to me good. If I the film Chef did want the highlight and the cloud, he get it, but how long he can keep it for?
We keep it forever. Because people are like, yes, let me tell you why I'm going to keep it, Tikki. Tikki, you have 4,000 people per your live. And before this, you been have your views in Jamaica. You used to have your 2,000 views or 1,000 views.
18 girl, 18 was 18 good pussy.
The people them stay with you. The people them stay with you because them like you, know, right?
Yeah.
You go there with Trev now. Remember, I know it'll come like new TikTokers come on the app every day with different personality where everybody draw to. So you meet Trev and you introduce Trev to we. Me like Trev, me not go tell no lie. I don't have a problem with Trev, right? But not because you and Trev break up now, mean to say, oh, nobody like you, Trev, because Tikki not like you. No. You're still my friend, but me still like Trev. Me and Trev just don't play a match. And it was, we never thought, no, we just play. So you introduce him to 4,000 odd people. The 4,000 odd people are going to like Trev based on what Trev give them. So you can't take that away. So all if for 20 years, you will clap your 10,000 views, Trevor go still have him 2,000 views because them 2,000 people that like him for what him like him for. My exes them right now, if them go live, them I get 500 to 1,000 views. Me can't stop the people them from go view or watch them on live because
me
they
no business with them,
them. So I don't know, let's show you set.
Me no business with them and people them, Vani. Me want to say me can come here and have my people them and my supporters them.
And not because you're in your vex station, you go fuck nobody. You're firing this, you will catch your heads.
Me not catch something Vani, me name up me perp. Me bite up me perp, me clean and me go on me perp.
Because you're the man vex now, make you go lay down with somebody. Because me is somebody.
Me not go lay. Vani, listen to me, me talk out of me mouth. Because you know me talk. Me come America to me, man. I Chef did block you and party and do everything. Me come America to me, man. I Chef know that. Me come America to me, man. Fabulous boy.
Who you say you can't know? Me is somebody you come look for you.
3 o'clock, he say. I'm more than I come now.
Who come there?
Me man.
The long
for
time
our state over there, so. And I who me a book film fi come for over there.
Then that mean you this a man you talk long time, cause
me and him never left. Me and him the family a blood clot 13 and him a 12. And he make me come a foreign.
So that means say you're there born Trev to Kaya and Trev just left. So oh,
me and Trev never there. Me and Trev did blood clot there. Me and Trev did there. Me and Trev did blood clot there. Me and Trev did there in the first place.
I just
me had a blood clot pink boy that did there where that girl you text my phone for. Hey girl, stop text my phone now. Where blood clot you know I say? Chef can't have him moderator. Vani, and a little time me the par live. Me so call you back. Vani, and a little time me the par live, Vani. And me have my moderator them. And me say, mute that person there. Because me don't want to mute them. It I show say mute by live creator. Mute them say show. Me the par live a big money, me a big one already. And me want a woman a Bronx name. One of my good friend. And one of my good friend, and he said to in the live attack, so no don't give big one no money, me work on the funeral, me this, me know him a go court for. And me say, me don't want to mute him, because she gonna know say I'm mute him. Me text my moderator, and me say, mute her. Mute her. I mean unmute her. I say keep on mute her so her comments disappear. So nobody can see what she types in the comment section because two more look the money with big one. So Chef, you tell him moderator to block me too. You can text them and tell him to block me too. And I go talk about Jesus Christ and black Tikki fast. I'm going to unblock him cause of judgment. By today now, me come over there. Me never see the boy back for life yet. For me, I check tight up your son, me never see the boy yet for life. And for me, I check in this hot water in the conflicts now. Me see the boy run come back, come in a moderator position. And my 3 page, I'm the moderator over there. One get banned and the other 2 and moderator. So what me I do with moderator part for me? Check you're going to get an unmad right here, so. Well, I look at Anmad, yeah. You're blood clot, yeah. You don't know me, you know. Me say, I go give you an easy jump over West, you see. Because you don't know any who and blood clot, Tikki. Me nah come by your caucus, you. Me nah bring you down. Me nah carry you. Me nah bring you. Me nah drag you. Me nah do nothing to you. Me just have to make you say, who is blood clot me?
2 toes me give for you and him the back. Me can't bother. Same to me, say you take God off a cross, so you and Rosalie now go be friend and you and Rosalie.
Me and him did that first.
Well, yes, you and him are going to be friends then soon.
Me and him nah be nothing. Me say, Vanny, if you see me at that boy, they chat back together.
I same thing you did say about Rose and you and Rose turn back friend.
If you see me at that boy, they chat back together. You see you come meet me at a man at the gas station and put piece of shot for me head and water head. That's mean to say, me head I get off. You understand me? I say, me is not a senior civilized citizen in America. I should be present at the Bellevue patient. Vanny, you know, man, me can't get, you know, Vanny, me fabulous, you know, me fabulous and flawless. Vanny, me fab, below and flawless. Me look nice. I know, man, me can't get. Me look good. I know, man, me can't get 3 no going on my face. Chef, have you log into my page? When me don't live, I pay fabulous boy, you inbox me. From upstate America, he part with the side of Canada. Man, for Brooklyn. Call me, please. I Brooklyn, me live and I'm here. Say Brooklyn. That's how me live at Brooklyn. Man, I Connecticut. Man, I Washington. Don't know where Trump live. Don't know the place there. All of the place there.
Yeah, you did live when you left here, so where you go?
Man, ever blood clot hurt me down. Chef see them in my inbox, so the pattern card Chef have it plug in. Whole pattern in my WhatsApp, some man send me some things and my screenshot he send to Chef and me forward it. Sometimes I Chef talk by one phone and man call me other phone. But just to have a respect for you, me push them away and me try me pride and me have me dignity for you. You see now, if me come to America, Vanny, and one man fuck me for me come here. You see, anything when me pick up, me know how me catch it. And me never bring nothing come America, me not pick up nothing here because me and a Uber one pick up things.
So you're nice, you're fucking boy in a detention.
Then look how long that person gone, Vanny. I do too much test after that day. So I can know, when me fuck you now, Vanny, if me pick up nothing, me know where me get it from.
Mm-hmm.
So if me pick up a that's me to say, me know who give me. If me pick up infection in my pussy, me know who give me it. If me pick up gonorrhea, syphilis or AIDS, me know who give me it. Because a one man fuck me, no blood clot. Vanny, me come here to me good man, you know. Listen to me, Vanny, me is a turbo worm, me is not a nice person. No man can win me, me no run joke with man. Me just make a boy have him wear. Me that take a boy in my community, everybody know who I show me not call the name right so. Vanny, that boy there, Vanny, me give him the world, me do everything for him, everybody sitting now watch Vanny, boy, me need almost lose all 100 pounds of weight. If you call me name to the boy now, Vanny, hate you. One time me friend ask him, say, when the time bring up name around you, it's like your skin pick you. You have what me feel, you feel
something. Or it's on live. It happen on live, or you come on live, come tell the people them what want. Did it happen on live or none of that cuss?
It did happen on live, and that's why me come on live cut about it. And the boy, you know what the boy say? When see me do with me two with them until death he hate me. Cause he feel like I could have win me, and he feel like I could have do the most, and he could have believe when witness within two with them. Cause then I play a game, and me make him text him phone and I say, listen, my pretty boy, I can't figure when me text him phone. Me text him phone in a blood clot January, and in a February that happened. Me say to him, listen, my pretty boy, it two in the midfield I play ball. It's not you one. And the two in the midfield I juggle the ball. Me say, we can score it first, and he feel like he can score it. Vanya, me sit down like a mascot, and make him mascot me also. And my blood say you can't win me. And he get me like a
that's how you and the boy left now. Split the truth now. He telling us how not there.
Vanny,
because him act like you're not getting people them
Vanny, all a little while the boy tell me say me there, tell me say me not bring nobody in. Cause me the one me triple talk to we and put we back together like a Fabi or Jaden. He tell me say me not make nobody come in and me and him relationship. This is between me and him. When me I put it when me they put we together and people if put we together. Like how if you not talk to me about that already. Blood clot.
Guys, you can't see a lie, Tikki, you're telling. Let me tell you something.
I me take Vani, I me take
Let me tell you something. You're some man.
bring him down after
You're
and
some
black him.
man.
I me take him
You're
for
some
time
man,
after start bring
guys.
him down and black him and start sending screenshot.
You're some man, guys. They now show you up on the live, but in a real life, them hide and fuck you.
He said, Tikki, I think you are dumb.
Oh, yes, yeah.
And you can't understand.
Trevor
Me
either
done with
fuck
him.
Tikki. Guys, you don't know if Trevor either fuck Tikki in a real life or you're going to see a lie. Remember Tikki honey and they a hotel with man. He probably just say, alright, and get Tikki a look out, get Tikki where you want. You can't say a lie, you don't know what, you can't say a lie, you can't say a truth, you don't know what going on in real life. Eh?
Truth and tell the story. Me not have to talk my bedroom story.
Big one, tell me say him beat you, true?
Oh?
Big one.
Vani, listen to me. Me not have to go to another story there. But me done with him. You can't make your moderator them block me.
Can I rate you?
Listen to me. Listen to me.
Alright, the moderator block you. They unblock you now?
Huh?
You get unblocked from over the live now?
He need added me 2 page. One of them yesterday, they block me and he run go unblock me. To them me go over there again go say LOL and then block me back.
So I'm unblock you now?
No, me I don't care, I don't want to be unblocked. Moderator block the page yes I am now. This morning me been a yam. This evening me a sweet potato. Type sweet potato in my life. I am not a yam anymore. I'm a little blood clot left.
But Tikki look at me, I can't keep a man. Now that's a me a friend, you know.
I you know say me can't keep man Vani.
Me can't
So
keep man.
these me can't keep man. Vani me always a lick done so terrible man. Me don't know how me find myself. A blood clot took a piece of fi blood clot shave. Fi shave. Man
But
boo
you know, so all the days I kill up yourself, trip over a live, I promote some type of sweetie. And you say
I
sweetie?
find steer. Can look not for money. A blood clot pink boy there.